Gregorio Delgado.
Another human enters its robot avatar.
If it dies in this body, its mind is deleted.
Good luck, little human.
Victory.
You think you are top human? Many humans have beaten this level.
They died shortly after. Analysis bot, what upgrade is the best to tackle the next challenge?
When you are surrounded by robots with swords, you need to not get hit by their attacks. Blocking or kicking is very effective against sword robots.
We will see what the human chooses.
Victory.
Very nice.
I like this contestant.
Let's hope it does not die horribly in the next battle.
What can you tell us about the next challenge, Commentatron?
I was going to ask you that.
Do not evade the question.
Robots with bows. Auto robots.
Very good. Let us watch the human interact with arrows.
Victory.
It seems archers don't hold any mystery to this human.
This is a pretty basic model.
Good point. We have seen arrows. We have seen swords.
It is time to see both at once.
Victory.
Victory.
Yes.
The next fight will not be so easy. For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out. Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives.
Fellow robots, we have captured the few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spidertron 5000. Victory!
I love the smell of energy swords in the morning.
Commentatron. You did not tell me you had a nose installed.
The humans survived the archers.
Now it is time for swords.
It can't survive all the things.
Victory!
Wow.
Very nice.
Perhaps this human had coffee before they were uploaded.
What a basic dream.
Water-based drink.
Spidertron 5000 is back.
This time it brought friends.
Robots do not have friends.
Spidertron 5000 is the exception.
Impressive.
Spidertron 5000 will be back.
Let's hope this human has perished by then. Not many challengers have reached this level.
Even fewer reach the one after that.
The Mark III combat archers are very good at what they do.
Victory!
The human defeated the Mark III combat archers.
An impressive achievement.
This is a talented human. This human keeps beating all the challenges.
Maybe we need to add more opponents.
Yes, let's try that.
Victory!
Analysis bot. How many sword robots do you think this human could defeat?
We have seen it beat 8. It is logical to assume that it could continue beating a steady stream of this model.
Perhaps it is time for a more advanced challenger. Introducing the Mark III sword robot.
Magnificent.
Finally, someone who can actually fight. It's your lucky day. I'm going to help you escape. In a few moments, the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them. Run, and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
What is happening?
The garbage force field has been disabled.
Impossible.
I am detecting a security breach. The human is escaping.
Foolish human, there is no escape from the arena. Security robots. Eliminate the human.
The security forces are assembling. The human stands no chance. This was its plan all along. I could see it sniffing on.
To all of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do this.